You guys, I got up. I'm gonna try not to swing. I'll probably make you guys seasick, which I got this weekend. Um, Anyways, I'm up 5 a.m. I got up with the chickens, try to seize the day before it gets too hot to handle. Rolled out of bed and threw on some clothes. I don't know if you can see, I got my shorts on, some cool clothes, grabbed a cup of coffee, like my coffee full of potential, like my day, and then I'm gonna water my garden out here and go and wash some eggs. My dear friend Terry's coming over for some eggs, so I'm gonna go in and wash some eggs before I go to the book club today, because she's coming over after book club. A well-watered garden is a happy garden. Nothing like giving these plants a good drink to start their day off right. So next I did some quick food prep. I washed this lettuce and these baby spinach, and I put them in jars. I put a paper towel because it absorbs the moisture, and they last a pretty long time in the refrigerator when I do this. And also, not shown here, I cut up some peppers and some onions and put them in jars, but I forgot to film those, so got those all ready for the week. I cooked some riced cauliflower and put it in the refrigerator also, so it would be ready to and easy to make. And let me tell you, for me, this is a game changer. It makes the week go by so much easier. I really recommend that you give this method a try. I also went outside and got some eggs from the chickens. Now, before I forget to tell you, I spent some time this morning washing and cartoning up about 10 dozen eggs. Not about, it was 10 dozen eggs for my dear friend Terry, who's coming over after the book club today. Ain't nothing like sharing farm fresh goodness with good company. And as I always say, friends and fresh eggs are two of life's greatest treasures. To show you my outfit of the day, I'm on my way to my book club. Everything, almost everything that I have on today, I have got from our swap parties, and I love this jacket. It's really hot here, so this jacket is sheer, and it's almost like you're not wearing anything, so it's not really hot. I got at a swap also. So I'll come back and I'm going to share more about my last couple weeks this summer, and we'll see you. And then for the finishing touch, I did my own nails to match my outfit and my purse and my earrings and necklace. And today's book club, we had read Silent Voice. It was a manga series, and it was really good. And we had the discussion on that today, and this book was really good, and it touched a lot of topics. Here are some of the ladies from our book club. We call ourselves the Housewives of Hellendale, and here one of them made the cherry pie, and here Richard and I are at the Huntington Beach Parade. Our granddaughter was in the parade, so we went down there to see her, and it was a really good parade. They had all kinds of things. They had the Italian flew over the flag, and that was quite a spectacular surprise, and so many other things. Some of the costumes were just amazing, and look, like you can see these soldiers here, and then these were the Batman series, the Joker, and look how realistic these costumes, Spider-Man, and the horses were beautiful. Just all of the whole parade was amazing. I was so glad we went. There's our granddaughter there, Haley, and her cheerleading. And speaking of amazing, let me share some of these snapshots of our camping trip last weekend in Catalina. Here are the tents that we stayed in, and this was my sleeping bag, and yes, I did bring a pillow, and I painted these rocks while I was there. Except for when I got seasick, the whole weekend was a blast. I didn't vlog the whole thing because when I got seasick, I decided just to be in the moment at that point. But I did snap some great photos, including one of my daughter scuba diving. She's braver than a bull in a rodeo, that one. Thank you so much for joining me on this adventure today, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I am getting over a cold right now, so I do apologize if my voice has been a little struggled in this video. But until next time, stay strong and stay stylish. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and hit the bell so you can stay in tune to all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.